day out. I haven't really got ready at all. It's a better angle. Now I can sit right here. Talk to you. It's like right here that my wrist hurts. It's not like I hear a car or truck that sounds like it's big. Nope. It's here. Just kidding. Just kidding. Cart. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Wait, 1 second. What you do is you attach the hoverboard to these things, and that's how you control it. Where's my hoverboard? You guys do not believe like how blown I am. I'm probably gonna try to get some like cinematic shots with my selfie stick. Right now I have it on my tripod. I think the side gate's been open since Saturday. Today's Monday. And the dogs didn't leave, surprisingly. I had to skip school because they won't deliver if no one's here. I bet my shot looks so ugly. It feels ugly. Because my hand, my wrist. That's a wrap. That is a wrap. Where's my ball? Okay, I'm so bored today. It's bad. It's terrible. It's boring. Kobe.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Right down the street. It's here! He's got it. You don't know how excited I am. Why are you recording? Thank you. Oh my god. Ooh. It's gonna be a quick unboxing.
Oh man, I got what I ordered.
Koowheel.
Great.
Alright, this makes more sense. Amazon puts it in that box, Koowheel boxes it too. Oh my god, oh my god. It is heavy.
How heavy?
It's not that heavy. It's lighter than a hoverboard.
Oh, warning, no riding on wet floors. Always wear a helmet and pads. Alright?
The grip tape is so grippy.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, so you get 2 remotes. Alright. I just want to spare.
Now you hear how loud it goes? That's not loud at all. Now listen.
Oh.
Yeah. Unlock the speed. Alright. Oh yeah, I forget. You get 2 remotes. Oh yeah, this goes over that.
Okay, yeah, make sure.
That goes over this thing. Alright. Let's take it for its first ride. And I have to ease into it, trust me, this is really touchy. Alright, should I do an I'll probably do a video after I start trying it and everything. So I'll leave you guys here. I'll leave you guys here for a minute. I'm barely pushing it.
Barely pushing it?
No, like I was barely pushing it. Like you cannot start off fast. Alright. I need to turn it on. If you turn it on, there's a switch. I had to charge my phone, so I'm kind of experiment. It's not focusing, but it's on. There's a green light blinking under here. Other side.
Other side.
It's gonna be upside down for you guys. There's a little button. It turns blue. That's good.
Green battery. You're real good. All right.
I'm at 3 out of 4, so it's 25% for each little dot. You going with?
I wish I bring the right hand.
Yeah. You get the dust off. I don't know why it got so dusty. Whatever. It's gonna get dusty no matter what. Click the button once for it to come back, or to go in reverse. I don't know what, the only thing I don't know is what this third little dot is for. It's not focusing. I don't know why, but on the remote, there's a third dot. You see it? I don't know what it's gonna do, all the way on the right. The left one means it's in reverse when it's red.
What if you hold it down?
Oh yeah, it's to pair it. I remember, it's for like pairing. I don't know if that's what's gonna blink, but I'm gonna test this to see if it goes down. You know, if I jump on this, it will actually like bend. Let me see if this, what? Oh, it easily goes over. You're just gonna stay? I don't know where I'm gonna go though. Holy crap, it's probably super windy.
Jump.
Goes pretty fast. Brakes are pretty touchy. I don't know if I'm supposed to stop at stop signs or not. I don't know where I'm going. Christian's just waiting. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I kind of just ease into it. It's really touchy. I'm not gonna go full speed while you guys are down there because I don't really trust it. I kind of have to lean.
Jump. Jump.
It usually takes me like way longer to get around this street. I'm like flying right now. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video. Like I watched a couple videos on it and I wasn't sure if it was like that fast. And people said it was. But it goes a good 20. And it's not full right now, it's about 75%.
Pull my heart out of my chest.
Alright, that's going to be my review and unboxing of the Koowheel electric longboard. I really like it. It goes way faster than I thought. If you could see in the clips, I don't know if it does justice of how fast it goes, but it goes pretty fast. It wasn't even full the entire time. It was about like 50%. Charged it for a little bit, but it gave me 2 remotes. Charge time is 30 minutes each on each of them. And the board is 2 hours charge. So that's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. Yeah.